Hi, this is Karthik. In this video, I am going to explain you in detail about how to convert an Excel file to JSON and JSON to web app using all free tools. Okay, and I am going to give you a use case where this method will be useful very well. Okay, so before going into that detail, just open the Excel file I am having here. Okay, this is the Excel file and we have lots of sheets here, and in the sheet 1 I have the data of lots of students with their date of birth, name, father name, mobile number, address, okay, district, mandal, everything. Okay, so in Excel, if you want to filter these things as per your needs, is very hectic work and it is very time taking, and for beginners it will be very difficult to use Excel sheet with all the filters they want, because everything they want to do is manually. Okay, so to fix this issue we are going to make a process which converts the Excel sheet into JSON file, and the JSON file will be converted into web app. Okay, so without doing any delay, let's start the process. First, what you have to do is you have to open a link called smartdevcoder.in and press enter. I will also provide this link in the description of this video. Just scroll down until you find the category called web tools. Inside that, you select the Excel to JSON. Okay, and scroll down, just click here and go to the Excel file where your Excel file is stored. In my case, okay, before completing this, what we have to do is we have to make sure that our file is a X format, not a workbook. Okay, it is an xlsm format. So what we will do is we will save it as a, wait a minute, we'll enable editing. Okay, now we will save it as an xlsx format. Okay, it is a classic format of the Excel file. Now again we'll select this web page and go to the folder where our Excel file is there. Now you can see we got the result here. Just double click on it. It will take a few seconds and you can see it has loaded all the sheet names here. Okay, you have the sheet you want, or you can see sheets also. Okay, but in this case I will sheet 1 here. Okay, the convert to JSON option. You can see the JSON file has been created. You can either copy or download so that the JSON file will be downloaded. Okay, now we'll close this. I have already downloaded the JSON file and my JSON file is here and I paste it here. Okay, that is students database.json file. This is my JSON file. Okay, now what we will do is we will again go to the same link as before and scroll up to the web tools and click on JSON schema. Okay, there is no need to know about these things, what is JSON, what is JSON schema. You just follow these things and the work will be done for you. Okay, click on JSON schema, then click the JSON file, because here it is a button called choose JSON file. Just select it and select the JSON file which we downloaded earlier from the tool called Excel to JSON. Select it. Now it has given the JSON schema for us. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to download it. Okay, just cut it the JSON file and paste somewhere where you can find easily. Now what you have to do is in Chrome browser, sorry, enter claude.ai. Okay, the Claude is an AI which will do, which will answer your questions, which will give code for you, or as it can write scripts for you, stories for you, like that. But I'm not going in detail about this Claude, but just open this Claude. And if you are a first time opening the Claude, you need to sign up and sign in into the Claude. After that, you will see this interface which I am seeing right now, except the name will be changed, replaced by yours. Now click on this plus icon here, add files. Okay, select our JSON schema file. Okay, be careful, you should not select the JSON file here, as that is our source JSON file. We have to select the schema.json file. Okay, the schema will be added to our JSON file when we run the tool. Okay, now view this prompt here, generate an HTML web page that accepts JSON file with the JSON schema available in attached schema file, and also include necessary filters and bookmarking features. Okay, I am adding the necessary filters here. What is a filter? Suppose you want to filter, here you can see the schema here. You want to filter the students by gender. You can filter the student by mandal. You can filter the student by rank, registration ID, serial number, village, caste. Okay, there are lots of things you can filter. Okay, if you want any specific filter like district, okay, or by category like this, you can include that thing is filter. As I am doing just this for the showing how the procedure will be done, I am giving the Claude itself to add the necessary filters. If you don't know, the Claude is very intelligent. It can apply the appropriate filters as per our schema. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll just click on send button here, or you can click enter on your keyboard and give Claude for a few seconds to complete the task. You can see it is writing the code as we speak. Random thought, if you get to solve an issue by using the code, you can use these AI agents and create your code like that. There is no need of doing any plan, workout, hours of manual coding. Nothing is needed. Okay, this is called vibe coding. If you want more videos like this on vibe coding, please subscribe to the channel. I will be uploading more like this in upcoming videos, and you can also request me in comment section if you want any vibe coding videos, specific vibe coding videos, like how to develop an Android app using vibe coding, how to develop a Flutter app, how to develop a website, how to develop a PHP website using vibe coding. It is taking a few minutes here. See how beautiful this white coding is. In, in case if we want to code like this manually, it will take ages. See, we are given a raw prompt, that is a very basic prompt, but the Claude decides what are the best things our HTML or anything, any app should have as per our provided prompt. Okay, it will give the best things. I think our file is ready. You can see. Now what we'll do, we'll download it. Because we can run here, the code will not run from the body itself. Okay, but we will see whether it will work or not. Oh, super! It is. Anyway, we have downloaded the. Just open the folder it is downloaded. You can just double click. You can just select the choose file, and if you see how beautiful it is, the UI is very beautiful, right? Just click on choose file, select the database file. Now we should not select the schema file. We need to select the exact database file. You can see we got all the students here. Now we can filter them. So filter by caste. Okay. And you can see there is lots of data here. And you can select all here. We'll select by district. For example, some district here. Okay, you can see total 350 are there. And it is filtering among 9,637 records. It is showing 350 filtered. Okay, and it is showing some average score, top rank, bookmark. See, we did not give all these things, all these instructions to it, but the Claude had decided which are best for our requirement, and it has given this, and it is included some minimum score and maximum score fields are there, and you can bookmark. How to bookmark? There is a bookmark icon here, and we'll select one more district from, suppose, Annamaya. I will select another one here, bookmark. Now if you click on the bookmark here, it will show the only bookmarked students. See, because it is, we have bookmarked two people, but we are getting only one result because this district is only selected district. It is showing the data. If you select all, we will get all the records which we bookmarked. Okay, like this, we can filter our Excel sheet data into beautiful web page. So this will help you to do some marketing campaigns, and you can bookmark the students who are interested in admission to your college or school. Okay, even it is not only it's college or school, you can use this method for any marketing campaign using Excel sheet. I am only telling about the marketing campaign, but the use cases are very high. Okay, I hope you understand this video very well. I hope I helped you making understanding this process very easily in simple steps. Okay, so finally, this is our Excel sheet. This is our Excel sheet. This is our database. This is our database. And this is our web page. Okay. If you want additional features, like see, this Claude has given some table, but it is missing some column. It is missing some mobile number. As you can see in our database, we have mobile numbers are there. Where it is, okay, mobile number. Okay, see, mobile number is there, date of birth is there, some different things are there. If anyone is missing or already know what you want, you can simply mention those things in the, so that will not miss it. If anyway it has missed, you can again here so that it will be included in the file. But what happens is after the completion, to download it again. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos. This is Karthik signing off.